Hey everybody!
Hi!
Welcome back! And for this one, we are doing Ben 10.
Yep.
Here we go!
And they're my favorite show.
Okay, Izzy. Where do we start? At the top of the page?
Yes.
We're gonna make his head. And we can start with an eyebrow. I'm just gonna make a line like that. Got a little eyebrow there, and then one going up and over like a raised eyebrow. Okay, now we have oval shape against this eyebrow,
Yeah.
and then one here below this eyebrow, just free, it doesn't touch that eyebrow. Okay, so now we have the pupil, big one with a smaller one inside. Oh, mine is gonna have to be just a bit, yeah. And the side as well, big one, smaller one inside. I'm coloring mine in immediately, might as well. And then we have two eyes there. And now, coming down here, from beside his eyes, see next to his eyes, yeah? We're gonna come just down like that. Then on the opposite side, next to this eye, we need to draw an ear. Look here. So I'm gonna draw an ear. And now we make this squiggly shape inside the ear. Okay. And now we bring that line down and see it's the same level as that point there. Okay. Yep, you got it.
Okay.
Now
Okay.
we draw his jaw to kind of sort of to a point in the middle, rounded point.
Okay.
We draw his upside down nose line, just like a arrow that's pointing up.
Yeah.
And now watch this. You draw smile with a line on top of it inside itself. Got that?
Yep.
Now, for the hair, you start in the middle, you make a peak upwards like that, a little arrow pointing up.
Yeah.
Then we go outwards
Apple.
and that way as well. We draw a little point and we bring this line down to his ear. And from this side, we do another smaller point as well. And then the next line we join it to the side of his head. And now, only now we do the other ear. With a little squiggly V. Now for the top of his ear, we go out one.
Yeah.
And we need 4 spikes. So it's 1, 2, 3, and a little spike at the back. So watch this. So it's 1,
1,
2,
2,
3,
3.
and a smaller one at the back, and you bring it down to his ear.
Done.
And there we have it. That's Ben 10's face, everybody. We almost ran out of space. It's a big head. So now, because we have a big head, we're gonna have to draw a smaller body, and he will have to be a chibi style character. You know what that means? Big head, small body. Okay. Unfortunately, so let's draw a little neck on it. And with a rounded collar. We draw a little shoulder that's popped up. Same goes for the other side, a popped up shoulder. And now we get to draw an omnitrix.
Yes.
So just here, we're going to draw an omnitrix. We're going to simplify this omnitrix, okay?
Yeah.
So we're going to draw a square. We draw a circle inside it. And we draw the arrows pointing down. And then mimic it at the bottom. You got it?
Yeah.
Now we draw 2 tabs on the side here. You got it?
Yeah.
And we're going to draw 2 little tabs here. So, and at the bottom. So straight line, then slightly angled line. And that's our Omnitrix. You have it? You got it?
Yes, and I make it origami with.
You make an origami of it as well? Wow. Okay, so now look here. We have to draw his fist now. So we're going to draw a thumb. Just, yeah, then a line going up and just over again. And now for the next one, just a little rounded line. And we'll take the rest of the fist out and down. And now we need to draw his elbow just there. And we draw a little line coming down there, but it doesn't touch, yes. And yeah, with the shirt, at this point, just under the side tab of this, of the tab on the Omnitrix there, we're going to draw a rounded line. That's going to make a sleeve. And make a sleeve there. You got it? And we tuck his elbow in there. And that's his sleeve. Got that?
Yep.
Yep. Now, for his waist, his side, his body. Just like that. In and out. Bit of a curved body. Then from this side, we draw a line coming down straight. Just like that. I should have gone more straight. Yeah, yours is better. And we complete the t-shirt. Now we need to draw this other little sleeve here. Just like that. And we draw a line there.
Yeah.
For his elbow and the other bit for his elbow. And now we take it up just till there. And I have to draw the other part of his arm. Got it? Yep. Okay, now a rounded longer part at the back. Now watch this. Slightly out and then up. Yep. And for this very first one here, we draw a finger that's curled in. And we draw a little stripe there. And now for the wrist, we just make knuckle lines that falls back. There we have it. Yeah, that's perfect, that's perfect. And now for the fun part. We draw a line going across and then dipping down and making a space there. And you know what goes in that space?
10.
A 10. So we just draw the outline of a 10. Ooh, he's looking like Ben 10 already. You've got your 10 in your space. That's perfect, my boy. Okay, so now we need to even shorten the legs even more because we're running out of space.
Yeah.
But we're having fun while doing it. Straight leg down and we draw the bottom of the pants. And we draw it back up there. And now this side we draw a little flat line. And we draw the other leg of the pants and we go like that.
Yeah.
We take it slightly up. And we draw a little pocket here. He's got a cargo pants pocket, so that's the flap of the pocket and then the bottom part of the pocket and you bring it up. See, now it looks like a pocket with a flap on it.
Yeah.
You can see yours? Okay, you drew a tiny pocket, that's fine. And we complete the pants line and we draw the other pocket, a flap with a pocket shape. Let's see, that's how bent ends. Looking good thus far, Izzy. And now we're just gonna add shoes quickly. Just 2 lines there for legs. 2 thin lines for legs. Mine is very thin. Yeah. And a shoe flap and a big shoe shape. And the back as well. And we just finish it off. I know mine looks bad. And we draw a sole and a bit of a bump. And so it looks like something. And on the other side as well, I didn't even give him socks because I'm out of space. And we draw with a big tab like this and the foot coming out this way. And I'm squeezing it in here. And there's my Ben 10 shoe. And that's Ben 10 barely fitting onto my page.
It's for mine.
But it fits on yours. And there we have it, everybody.
Yep.
That's our Ben 10.
Yeah.
The 4th generation. Is it 4th generation? The reboot, season 4 reboot?
Yeah.
Yep, that's him. Okay, time for color, Izzy. Here we go.
Yep.
And there we have it, everybody.
Yep.
That's our Ben 10.
And so I make the project of Benton intro one, not the reboot, the classic one.
Okay, so you made a project of the Ben 10 classic intro.
Yes.
Is that on Scratch?
Yes.
I have to drop a link again, I'm assuming.
Yeah.
Yep. Okay. So I'll drop a link to his little intro we did of the Ben 10 classic on Scratch.
Well, I did share on this and boop, and I did what streaming.
Okay. Thanks for watching, everybody. Please like, do subscribe, click that bell icon to get notified of any new videos. Be good
Have fun.
and have fun. Bye.
Bye. I just play Benton.